Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how in just few seconds you can add bulk contacts from your Google Sheet spreadsheet to your Google Contacts. You see here I have all the details of my employees, first name, last name, email and phone number, and automatically all these details just in one click was added to my Google Contacts. You can take any other CRM instead of Google Contacts and you can add all the details in just one click. Now how you're going to do this? For this you have to see this video till the end. Now let's start creating this automation workflow from the beginning. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add bulk contacts from your Google Sheet spreadsheet to your Google Contacts automatically. You see that here we have 0 contacts, and as we create this automation, I will be able to add all these contacts all at once in my Google Contacts. So for this, we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this integration. This is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that you forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page will appear where I'm going to select this Pabbly Connect access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I'm going to create the workflow from the scratch. First, I'm going to name this workflow as automatically add bulk leads to Google Contacts in seconds, and now I'm going to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as all automations and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully, and from here we are going to start creating this workflow. Here we have this trigger. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I add a new contact detail or whenever I want to add the bulk contacts from my Google Sheet spreadsheet, automatically the contact should be created in my Google Contacts, which means whenever there will be new contact added to this particular spreadsheet, this particular workflow is going to get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Google Sheet spreadsheet, and following this trigger application, in my action application, I will be taking Google Contacts. Here in my trigger application, let me take Google Sheets, and in my trigger event, I am going to select new or updated spreadsheet row and then click on connect. Now I need to make a connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. I'm going to follow the help desk given below and build this connection. For that, I'm going to open my Google Sheets. So here, this is the spreadsheet. Over here, you can see the name of the spreadsheet is employee contact details. I have these details: first name, last name, email, and phone. I want to add all these contacts to my Google Contacts. First, I have to build a connection between my spreadsheet and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to go towards my spreadsheet. I'm going to click on this extensions, go towards this add-ons, and then click on this get add-ons. Here, Google Workspace Marketplace will appear in front of me, where I have to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks, and you will see it will show install because I have already installed this. But if you are doing this for the first time, please make sure that you follow the same process, install this, and then refresh this Google Sheet spreadsheet. Now, after doing this, you have to go towards this extensions, click on this Pabbly Connect webhook, and then click on this initial setup, where this box will appear in front of you, and you have to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So I'm going to go back towards the workflow, and I'm going to copy this webhook URL and I'm going to paste it over here, and then I'm going to enter the trigger column. So the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that data will be sent to the webhook URL. Here my final data entry column is column D, which means whenever the data will be added in this particular column, the complete data will be sent to my workflow. I'm going to click on this send test, and you will see the test data will be sent from here to my workflow. Here it is, test data sent successfully, and now I'm going to click on this submit. You will see setup configured successfully. We have to click on this because we have to make the configuration of this webhook URL in this particular spreadsheet, and now we have to follow a very important step we have to go towards this extensions, click on this Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then click on the send on event. So this step will make sure whatever data we add in future, it is sent to Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to open my workflow and check whether I have received any response there or not. And you see 9 seconds ago I have captured all the details. So over here I have received the response of this demo user. If I open my spreadsheet, you can see the first data here we have in the spreadsheet is demo user. The email address is demo@pabblydudes.com. Let's check. Here it is, demo@pabblydudes.com, and the phone number is this 898989. So this was the phone number. Here, as soon as I have received the response in this workflow, we can say the connection setup is working fine, and now whenever there will be new data or the new contacts added in my spreadsheet, I will start capturing that response there in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever there is a new data in my Google Sheet spreadsheet, I want to create a contact. For that, I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'm going to search for Google Contacts. In my action event, I'm going to select create contact and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this sign in with Google. Choose your Google account with which you have logged in your Google Contacts, and after choosing that account, you have to grant away the permission by clicking on this allow. You will see Google Contacts will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Here it is, connection created successfully, and now I have to enter these details. Now over here, I'm not going to enter these details manually. Instead, I'm going to map it. To map it, I'm going to enter / go towards this Google Sheets, and here I have received the response. So the first name is this demo, then I'm going to enter the last name. So the last name was this user. Then I'm going to enter the work email. So the work email which I have received is this demo@pabblydudes.com. I'm going to toggle on this button. I do not have the gender. I'm going to keep this field empty. Then I have the phone number. Now here I have not received the response for these fields. If you have received the response, you can enter following the same process of mapping. And if you have the details, you can add more fields in this spreadsheet, and you will receive the response which you can add over here or map over here in this field. Now here I have not received the response, so I'm going to skip all of the fields. I'm going to toggle on the mapping button of these fields, and I'm going to keep these fields empty. Now here, after entering all these details, I'll simply hit save and send test request, and you will see a contact will be created in my Google Contacts. Here it is. We have received the response, and this response is a positive one. You see, we have mapped the details instead of manually adding the details, and because of this mapping process itself, we have created a dynamic field instead of static, which means whenever I'm going to get a new response, all the details will be replaced and the contact will be created. Now I'm going to refresh this page once, and you will see demo user is created. Now here in this video, our purpose was to create bulk contacts. So what we have to do, here you see that we have created this demo user. I'm going to go back towards my spreadsheet, go towards this extensions, click on this Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then I'm going to click on this send all data. So here you see it is working. And as soon as this will be over, the process will be over, all these contacts will be created in my Google Contacts. Now I'm going to refresh this page once, and you see in a blink of eye, I have added and created all the contacts from my Google Sheet spreadsheet to my Google Contacts. You see here we have all the contacts which I have in my spreadsheet like this. So now to summarize, be to Google Sheets as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect, we received the new data, and then we want to create a contact. We took Google Contacts as an action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, executed this workflow, and finally created the contact. This is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Google Sheets and Google Contacts using Pabbly Connect. I've attached a link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. Before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below, and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.